Good morning, class. Today we are going to see the revision of chapter 9, that is energy. Students, in this chapter we have discussed basically about what is energy. We have also discussed about different forms of energy like kinetic energy, potential energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy. We have also studied about the concept of conservation of energy, where we have seen that how we can use effectively these forms of energies. Okay, so students, here basically you can see the words which came like continuous, which means regularly or rapidly, stoke, which means act of striking something. Okay, then there is a term that is energy. So energy basically means the capacity of doing work. Okay, so capacity of doing work is called as energy. Okay, then we have discussed about kinetic energy. So the energy due to the movement of a body is called kinetic energy. Mechanical energy, that is energy due to machines, or basically you can say the sum of kinetic and potential energy. What is transformation? That is conversion. Okay, conversion from one state to another state, from one form to another form. What is accumulated energy? That is stored energy. Okay, and loss, simply that means damage. So students, these are the difficult words in the chapter. Now we are going to see the whole lesson at a glance. So students, here basically we have seen the two types of energy. One is the potential energy and the other is the kinetic energy. So what is potential energy? So the energy possessed by a body due to its position is called potential energy. And talking about the energy possessed by a body due to its state or condition with respect to the earth is called gravitational potential energy. Now students, the capacity of a body of doing work due to its motion is called as kinetic energy. The formula for kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, that is product of mass and velocity. Now students, talking about mechanical energy. So energy of an object due to its position, shape or movement is called as mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is equal to sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. And students, energy released by a chemical reaction is called as chemical energy. An atom breaks to give a huge quantity of thermal energy is called as nuclear energy. Kinetic energy can be transformed into potential energy and vice versa, that is potential energy can also be transformed into kinetic energy. And what is transformation of energy? So basically the change of one form of energy into another form is called as transformation of energy. Now students, the disability of instant use of energy is called loss of energy. Okay, and the sun is the ultimate source of energy. Okay, so the device which transforms solar energy into electrical energy is called solar cell. So this is all about today's lecture. In our next lecture we will be discussing about long answer type question. Thank you class.